Hello everyone, this is Sumangala Bhatt along with my team members Pavitra S. Naik and Shivrasad Gaonkar, and our project title is E-Vikas, a way to deal with agricultural and homely products.
And our project ID is PROJEAP28. This is the overview of our presentation, that is index, which consists of abstract, objectives, methodology, list of hardware and software used, results and discussion, societal relevance, conclusion and future scope, publications or sponsorship, and the last one, comments on commercialization of the project and targeted users. Next is abstract. As we all know, agriculture is backbone of our country, and nowadays people are facing the problems to sell the product which they are yielding to the market, and even laborers may not get work properly, and also homemade products won't get sold as expected. So to overcome all these problems, we have come up with a new idea of web-based application that is named as eVikas. And this is the platform, and it's dedicated to integrate the farmers, retailers, cooperative societies, suppliers, laborers, and the customers, and bridge the gap between them. And here we are using price prediction as well as crop predictions for each product. The next is about objectives. The main objectives of this application is to help the farmers and the laborers. For the farmers, this application is helps to find out the nearest market. And farmer has a limited amount of time to find out the nearest market to determine which market will be more profitable for his crop. For example, tomatoes and all, it will ruin fast. So he has a limited amount of time which market will be profit for his crop. And as well as it will reduce the time which waste in searching the market with the better rates. This application is useful for selling and buying the agriculture and homemade products also. By using the a crop prediction, we can predict that which crop is suitable to yield in the particular area, so that he or she can get the profit by yielding suitable crop in his or her field. The farmer may not know that which crop is suitable to yield in his farm area to get the profit. So this application is helpful for that. By using these applications, laborers can discover a job also. So unemployment will be reduced. Next is about methodology. This is the overview of our project, and it contains the main modules like admin, farmer, customer, supplier, retailers, and the laborers. The next is continued by Pavitra S. Naik. Thank you.
This is the architecture of our project. When the user opens our application, he or she can get the modules like laborers, farmers, suppliers, retailers, and the customers. If the user wants the product, he or she has to register first. If he already registered in our application, he can directly log in and can access the product's information. This application is mainly used to sell or buy the agricultural and homemade products. Farmers can sell their products directly to the dealers or the suppliers as well as to the customers. Unemployed farmers can register in our application to do work in other fields. The supplier has to register first in our application. Then he can get a form to fill the price details. Retailers has to register first. Then he will buy crops from suppliers, dealers or farmers according to their prices and sell with his own rates. Labor has to register his username on this application. Then he or she will be notified about the works in the farms. Customers has to register first, then he can place an order to the farmers, retailers and the suppliers. Next is list of hardware and software used. To build our web application, we need to install Integrated Development Environment, that is IDE. For that, hardware requirements are 4 GB RAM, 40 GB hard disk and i3 processor. To run IDE on operating system, we are using Windows 7. In languages, we are using frontend as HTML, CSS, JavaScript and database as MySQL. And for prediction, Python are used. To build the connection between the database and the frontend, Java Server Page, that is JSP, are used. Here we are using tools as NetBeans IDE. To run the JSP file, we need Navicat. Next is results and the discussion. By using this application, the people can find nearby markets where they can sell or buy the products, and also it will reduce the time in searching the markets with better rates. Through our application, the labor and the farmer can get a job. This application helps the farmers, suppliers, dealers, customers to buy or sell their products very easily with less time. Next is societal relevance. By using this application, the people will take less time to communicate with each other. By using the crop prediction, the farmer can plant the crop. For example, if he give the details of temperature, humidity, pH level, water level, this application shows which crop he can grow in that particular area. By using the price prediction, people can buy or sell their products. Next will be continued by Shiv Prasad.
Conclusion and future scope. This application is developed for farmers' point of view, also looking over the problem of farmers, suppliers, dealers and customers. And this application, people can export and import crops, grades and grains and seeds. Even farmers also can order the machinery, fertilizers for farming, and even poor farmers also get a job in our applications. And this application can be used in various platforms such as iOS platforms for a crop predictions. In the future use, we can add a chart where the temperature, pH will and water level will be written. From that, the user can refer and add the data to our application. So from that they can predict the crop. Publication or sponsorship, we are submitted for a review and publication is under process. Comments on commercialization of the project and the targeted user. This project can promote to the taluka level, taluka panchayat level, and also corporate society can use this our application such as APMC and TSS. These are the reference papers we used for our project. Thank you.